Hey there everyone, Junie here from behind the Wonderverse dashboard, and today we're going to show you how to create a new quest. So from the Quests tab, you'll go ahead and click the New Quest button. This will prompt you to utilize one of our many useful templates, but for today, we're going to start from scratch. When you start from scratch, you'll notice three important settings: quest settings, rewards, and quest steps. From here, you can go ahead and title your new quest, add a description, and then from there, you'll also set quest level, do level 1, require review, which means as an admin, if you enable this, all submissions will require review before being approved. And then this is where you activate the quest. We also have many different extra features here that you can utilize. If you're curious about these, go ahead and go to our full tutorial, which is at the top of our Gitbook. Beyond that, you can also set the number of points that they'll receive, as well as add any of our unique rewarding systems. And again, if you want to explore that further, go ahead and go to our full tutorial. And from there, you can go ahead and set your quest steps with any of these specific options here. Just go ahead and use text. Let's say, what is your favorite color? And then from there, they will respond with text. You can add many different steps here, but from here, let's go ahead and save the quest. It will then go ahead and prompt you to activate the quest. You can either keep it inactive or activate it right away. So yeah, super easy. And once you set active, it'll go ahead and send it over to the Discord.